Hello everybody, Phil Johnson from designsbyphil.com. I have a new product here. This is the 10 beta ones I have. I have 9 available for purchase. So I'll be putting a feeler out there, and the 9 people that come to me with that want to buy it will get it. 2 of them are actually already spoken for. But I just wanted to go over a couple of items that will be happening on the next revision. Nothing major, no component switches, just some one fix to the silk screening, and then one change to the silk screening, because it doesn't matter. Well, first off, let's talk about the fix. So on all these, I noticed that when I was pinning it out, by the way, I take a multimeter and I tone out all the pins to make sure everything's connected and nothing's crossing, shorted out. So anyways, when I was pinning out, I noticed, or toning it out, I noticed that something wasn't quite lining up because I was looking at it from this side, and it turned out that the circuit board was misprinted here on this side versus when you rotate it around. So before it was saying on the top there was a ground. There's a ground where E is, but it says enable here. The correct one is what's on this side. So that on Rev 2 or Rev 1.1, that will be fixed. But also, when we bring this over to the Demon Shield and line it up how it's intended to be used in line with it, you'll notice one thing that's off right away, or that's different, is all the PULs on the Demon Rotary Switch line up with the enables and vice versa. That is purely just a labeling change. Basically all the PULs linked to all the other ones on this circuit board. So therefore, if we change all the PULs to ENAs and vice versa, everything will line up and still be correct throughout. So when you are those first 9 of you that are getting the beta versions, the version 1.0 with this label on it, if you guys just swap when you're wiring this thing up, if you put the ENA where the PUL is and vice versa, you'll be able to just use your ribbon cables straight in, or worst case scenario, it'll fold over once, rotate 180 degrees, but it will line up then with the Demon Shield. So that's it, guys. This is how we get to version 1.1 of other things. This is actually the first one. This was of the Demon Shield version 1.0. And the big changes from 1.0 to 1.1, which is right here, was the plus and minus labels for the PWM, the S direction, spindle direction, and then also the M7 and M8, okay, and the probe. So basically we added the positive and negative markings on the Demon Shield itself. That was the big change from version 1.0 to 1.1. So the Rotary Switch will also get the same treatment. So that's it. All right. Take care, guys.